Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video I will teach you how to finger knit this scarf. I'm using this Blankie yarn by Ganga and also some red, green and white colored yarn for the Strawberry Appliqués. And if it's your first time finger knitting, please don't worry, as this is also my first project. So the width of my scarf is 8 inches and the length is 80 inches. For this scarf I have used 2 skeins of the Blankie yarn. I have started with 13 chains. First we'll start with a slip knot, and if you find any step to be too fast, you can make the video slower or rewind the video and rewatch it again. We will now pull the longer yarn through the loop and make a chain like this, and we'll continue the same process by pulling through the loop and making a chain on top of another chain. Make sure to keep the size of the loop or the chain similar to the previous one so as to keep the stitches consistent. And remember, if you make your chain smaller, the tension will be tighter, and if you make your chains loose, your tension will be looser. So we'll keep making a total number of 13 chains in the first row. Now that we have 13 chains, we will skip the first loop which you are currently holding, and on the second chain we will pass through the working yarn and make a loop like this, and continue the same for the rest of the chains. After completing the first row, for the second row we'll skip the first loop and go through the second loop and continue for the rest of the stitches. This is because skipping the first loop will keep the edge of the scarf very clean, so we'll only skip the first stitch at the beginning and continue the same process for the rest of the loops until the end. And again, for the starting of the next row, we will repeat the same process by leaving out the first loop and working on the rest of the loops. Now we are at the third row and we will leave the first loop and go through the second and the rest of the loops. This is the process that we are going to repeat until you get the length of the scarf. And as I have mentioned before, I have made around 80 inches long. You can also try it wrapping around your neck as you go to determine the length that you want.
Found the one, you should never give her up. I think it's the way life changes when in love, yeah. I surround my soul with the positivity. That's why I don't worry about the things that I don't see, yeah. These days I don't worry about much. I think we should have some more fun. I still dream about the days when we were young. I'll take a hit and still finish in one, yeah, yeah. Too far away from our hearts, yeah, yeah. The ones we keep close, we should never let go. So tell me who you love, baby. Take a moment to unwind, fix yourself and realign yourself with the world, baby. Breathe slow, baby, yeah. We should breathe slow, we should breathe slow, we should breathe slow.
After working for several hours, this is my progress, and now I will show you how to finish off the end. Now to bind off or finish off your scarf, we will take the working yarn and insert through the second loop, and now we will insert the recent loop that we made through the previous loop. And now we have our first fastened loop. We will repeat the same by inserting the working yarn through the second loop and inserting the recent loop made through the previous loop.
Too far away from our hearts, yeah, yeah. The ones we keep close, we should never let go. So tell me who you love, baby. Take a moment to unwind, fix yourself and realign yourself with the world, baby. Breathe slow, baby, yeah. We should breathe slow, we should breathe slow, we should breathe slow. Found the one, you should never give her up. I think it's the way life changes when in love, yeah. I surround my soul with the positivity. That's why I don't worry about the things that I don't see, yeah. These days I don't worry about much. I think we should have some more fun. I still dream about the days when we were young. I'll take a hit and still finish in one, yeah, yeah.
After you reach the last loop, we will take the working yarn and pass it through the last loop and then cut it off. Congratulations on completing your scarf. Now you'd like to hide the excess yarn by sewing it through the project. I'm quite happy with how my scarf turned out. It's quite stretchy and it's not see-through at all because I've ensured to keep the tensions tight. To make this strawberry applique, you'll need a crochet hook. I've used 4.5mm crochet hook. To give the strawberries extra shine, I have used this mohair yarn along with the normal yarn. We will start by making a magic ring and a chain. And for the first row, we will make 12 half double crochets.
These days I don't worry about much. I think we should have some more fun. I still dream about the days when we were young. I'll take a hit and still finish in one. Yeah, yeah. Memory lane isn't that too far away from our hearts. Yeah, yeah. The ones we keep close, we should never let go. So tell me who you love, baby. Take a moment to unwind, fix yourself and realign yourself with the world, baby. Breathe slow, baby.
After the first round, we will close off the ring and make a slip stitch on the first half double crochet of the first round. For the second row, we will start with half double crochet on the first stitch, and on the second stitch we will make 3 double crochets. You can follow the written instructions given on the screen. After making 3 double crochets in one stitch, the next stitch we are going to make 1 half double crochet followed by 1 single crochet in 2 stitches. Then 2 half double crochets in each of the next 2 stitches.
it's the way life changes when in love, yeah. I surround my soul with the
At the end, connect with the slip stitch on the first half double crochet and then finish it off with the chain. Before cutting off, make sure to leave a long tail so that we can connect it to the scarf. To add the leaves, we will count 5 stitches on top of the strawberry. Then we will attach the green yarn at the back loop of the first stitch. We will make slip stitch in the next stitch and the next. Since the third stitch is the center, we will make 4 chains on top of the third stitch, and on the second chain we will make a slip stitch and repeat the same for the next 2 stitches. On the foundational third stitch, we are going to make a slip stitch again, and then we are going to make 2 more slip stitches on top of the strawberry. After the last slip stitch, we are going to make 3 chains, and on the front loop of the stitch we are going to make a slip stitch, then chain 3 again, and on the next stitch make a slip stitch. Repeat this process until you reach the last stitch.
Found the one, you should never give her up. I think it's the way life changes when in love, yeah. I surround my soul with the positivity. That's why I don't worry about the things that I don't see, yeah. These days I don't worry about much.
With the use of darning needle and some white yarn, we are going to attach seeds to the strawberry. On the wider part we are going to make 3, and then 2 and 1.
find the one, you should never give her up. I think it's the way life changes when
Make sure to hide the excess yarn by going through
that's why I don't
the behind of the project.
I don't see ya. These days I don't worry about much. I think we should have some more fun. I still dream about the days when we were young. I'll take a hit and still finish in one. Yeah, yeah. Oh. Memory lane isn't that too far away from our hearts. Yeah, yeah. The ones we keep close, we should never let go. So tell me who you love, baby. Take a moment to unwind, fix yourself and realign yourself with the world, baby. Breathe slow, baby. Yeah. We should breathe slow. We should breathe slow. We should breathe slow.
So this is it, and we have our finger knitted strawberry scarf. I have also made this beanie set. Please let me know if you want a tutorial for this, and if you have any doubt, please let me know through the comments. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.